show you how to install a pronged magnetic snap. See on the back there are 2 prongs, and each half is inserted with 1 washer. So you're going to put 1 half on one accent and the other half on the other accent. So on the wrong side of one of your accent pieces, you're going to center the washer in the middle, and then mark where each of the slits are on the washer. Okay. Then you're going to take a seam ripper or small scissors and just cut each slit. So don't go too far because you don't want to go past where the magnetic snap is going to be. So just enough for where the prongs are going to be inserted. Then you're going to take 1 half of your snap and insert it through the slits. And on the back side, take your washer and put it over the prongs. And then I like to bend the prongs outwards, but some people like to bend them to the center. Either way is fine. And that's all there is to it. And you'll do the same thing for the other half. So now that we have our magnetic snap installed on the accent pieces, we're going to attach them to the lining. So on the top edge of your lining, you're going to find the center. So I just fold it in half. I'm going to use my pen to mark the center point. Then take a ruler and measure 3/4 of an inch down from the center. And then you'll position one of your snaps right below that mark and stitch with an 1/8 inch seam allowance all the way around. And again, you could use some of that 505 temporary adhesive spray, spray the back, and then stick it to your fabric because there's no way that you could clip or pin this area. And then you'll repeat for the opposite half of the lining and the other accent piece.